myself Akashwag, and today's my topic is the digital India. The digital India is the flashing and initiative, the launch of the government India of the transition to the country in the digital employed society, and the knowledge of the economic and the initialization aligns to the provide platform and the citizen, the business and the government, and the hence to the power of the technology for the social and economics growth, and ensure to the benefits of the technology accessible to the all it, and ends the bridge of the digital and divide to the probably country of the toward and the bright future, the vision of the bright India. It is the government of the services and the accessible citizen, the electrical and to the increase to the online competitive and the government transformation, the key of the component and the digital India. The digital India is the inactivity and the design to the various component and to the touch of the all aspect of the government, business and the society. It is the built around to the three and key vision of the areas, the the infrastructure of the utilize the every citizen to the burden, the height and the government of the establish fast and the reliability to the internet and connectivity to the all part of the connective, especially is the rural and the remote areas through to the inactives like the contains and the ensure to the rural India digital component. The public internet is access to the programmer through to the establish and the common services to the construct, and which is of the services internet and established to the kicks at the government and the providing to the public access and the establish government is the services of the banking and the education, the mobile access to the within the empowerment and the grow of the mobile phone use government, and the focus on to the improve to the network services and ensure to the better connectivity to the both the urban and the rural, the access. E-government is the working of the improve quality and the services provide to the citizen by to the using technology and the ensure to the effectively on the online platform to the service like is the payment and the person of the management is the business regression to the beginning and established to the government and services is the e-government the digital India and the inactivity all the about the bring and services of the citizen and through to the digital platform and the services in and including the everything apply to the passport and the restarting the for voter ID card, filling to the income return, applying to the scholarship to the accessible and the personal scam health to the service and the more. The digital payment is the government of the ensure to the adoption and the digital payment system like the unfined to the payment and interface UPI mobile will to the digital banking and to the make transaction therefore efficiency and introduce to the good services, and the online education is the skill development government has the invest to the heavy creation and the online platform allow to the student accessing the quality education from the comfort of their the occurs and comfort of the occurs and the learn access in India. The digital health of the services, the government of the also focus in the digitalization healthcare services, and the healthcare is the become of the more accessible to the population and the digital empowerment of the citizen. The information of the accessibility, the government is the focus on the create and the waste repository to the digital and making to the available citizen, including to the provide digital access and the digital libraries. One of the biggest challenges in India digital transformation and the journey of the being in particularly to the rural area and addresses this is the issues of the rural citizen digital tools and the technology. There is the daily need to the aim of the government and program education the banking. Government is the program Digital, including the digital, is also focus in the ensure that is the behind to the initialize to the provide digital access and the every citizen erective to the there. The society is the background by the promoting and the efforts to the access smartphone and computer and other